Why go Pro? We are here to explain what elevates a Banner Pro light above a traditional factory light. While they may appear the same at first glance, Pro lights are actually driven by programmable RGB LEDs. Pro isn't just a product. Pro is a promise you're getting the very best technology inside the same banner lights you already know and use. Pro lights come in two device types: discrete and protocol-enabled. Discrete Pro devices have built-in memory functions that get loaded with customized colors and animations from our free software, Pro Editor. They're easily retrofit via discrete wiring and can provide existing equipment with new indication possibilities. Protocol control devices, on the other hand, get dynamically driven in real time. Factory controllers send and receive data to the lights via either IO-Link or PIC-iQ communication protocols. This provides smart factories with limitless possibilities for advanced control of machine states. An efficient factory depends on clear communication, and what better way to indicate numerous machine status possibilities than to broaden the machine's vocabulary? Easily pick from a wide variety of predefined colors and animations in Pro Editor to match your processes, including blinks, flashes, rotates, and more. A good opportunity for improvement is machine transition states. Try a rotation animation to indicate warm-up time to enable workers to monitor from a distance. Beyond preset animations, Pro lights provide nearly infinite possibilities for customization. Modify colors and animations without additional lead times, or reinforce your brand with a unique color. Plus, Pro devices provide opportunities for dynamic machine states and feedback, such as jam detection indication. Or use Pro lights to dynamically indicate analog information, such as the tank's fill level. Finally, instead of stocking multiple lights in different sizes and colors, standardize one Pro light and customize each unit as needed. Pro Editor makes it easy to save and load configurations onto devices, making deployment possible in just a few clicks. Whether you're looking for illumination, indication, touch buttons, or tower lights, Pro lights give you full control, and they're available only from Banner Engineering. To learn more about Pro lights and what they can do for you, visit bannerengineering.com.